Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make lobster in the oven using an easy method. First, ensure your lobster tails are fully thawed if they were frozen. Next, grab some kitchen shears and carefully cut along the top of the shell, from the base to the tail fan. Then, gently pull the meat upwards, separating it from the bottom shell, and let it rest on top. This butterfly cut helps the lobster cook evenly and absorb flavors beautifully. Now for the delicious part. Melt about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Brush this melted butter generously over the exposed lobster meat. You can also add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice if you like. Then, sprinkle with a little salt, black pepper, and a pinch of paprika for color and a hint of warmth. Arrange your prepared lobster tails on a baking sheet, ready for the oven. It's time to get baking. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once hot, place your baking sheet with the lobster tails inside. Bake for approximately 12 to 15 minutes. The exact time depends on the size of your tails. Smaller ones might be ready sooner. You'll know they're done when the meat turns opaque and feels firm to the touch. Be careful not to overcook them, as this can make the lobster tough. Once your lobster tails are perfectly cooked, remove them from the oven right away. A little fresh parsley or a few lemon wedges make a lovely garnish. Serve them hot, perhaps with a small bowl of extra melted butter for dipping. This easy oven method ensures tender, flavorful lobster every time. It's a simple way to enjoy a luxurious meal at home. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.